In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send pictures on Gmail from Google Photos using your computer or the web. This straightforward process is perfect for those instances when you want to share cherished memories or important images through email efficiently. Let's get started, step by step. Begin by logging into your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Gmail website, and sign in with your credentials. It's essential to ensure that you're using the same Google account for both Gmail and Google Photos to streamline the process. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, it's time to start a new email. Look toward the top left area of your Gmail window and click on the Compose button. This will open a new message window. It's similar to writing any other email, but we'll be focusing on how to attach your photos from Google Photos next. Within the new message window, you'll see a small icon resembling a paperclip at the bottom toolbar. This is for attachments. However, since we're working with Google Photos, locate the small triangle icon next to the paperclip, which signifies the Insert Photo option. Click on this to proceed. Upon clicking Insert Photo, a new pop-up window will appear, presenting you with various options. Select the tab labeled Photos or Google Photos within this window. Here, you'll find an array of albums and images stored in your Google Photos account. If your photos are organized, this will be your go-to place. Now, navigate through your albums or photos to find the image or images you wish to attach to your email. Clicking on a photo will select it. You can select multiple images simultaneously if you need to send more than one. This feature is perfect for sending a collection of images in a single email efficiently. After selecting your desired photos, focus on the lower right corner of the pop-up window where you will see the Insert button. Click this button, and Google will automatically attach the photos to your email as inline images, which means they will appear within the body of the email. Before hitting send, don't forget to craft the rest of your email. Add the recipient's email address in the To field, write your subject line, and if necessary, compose a personalized message to accompany your pictures. Review everything to ensure it's just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied, take a final look at your email to verify that everything looks good, then hit the blue Send button at the bottom of the email window. Your email, along with the attached photos, will be on its way to the recipient. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to send photos using Gmail and Google Photos from your computer or the web. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!